Hi everyone! This video will show you how to use the triangulation and filling holes features. Select the target point cloud, click the Edit tab, and select Triangulation. For confined spaces like the tunnel in this example, select Surface Triangular Mesh and set a value for the sampling interval. The smaller the value, the higher the accuracy. After generation, check only the model to view the effect. Here, we increase the sampling interval value to see the effect. After selecting the generated model, click the Edit tab and select Fill Holes. The default value 0 means filling all holes. You can also customize the maximum hole filling length. Click OK to view the effect. You can also perform smoothing for the model. Click Smooth to select the smoothness grade. Finally, you can sample the model. In the menu, there are two sampling methods, by percentage and by grid. Select percentage and set the sampling percentage to 80% here. You can also select grid for the sampling method. After setting, the point cloud will be optimized based on the set grid resolution. Now, let's compare the effects of the two methods. This is our introduction to the triangulation and filling holes features. See you next time.